Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual Cosmograph Daytona. You're looking at reference 116515, and it's a model with a strap, a rose gold case, and a ceramic bezel. Originally introduced in 2011, it marked the beginning of the ceramic bezel Daytonas. It's a very distinctive looking watch in ever rose red gold, and you can see it's relatively compact at 40 millimeters in diameter. I measure it 12.1 millimeters thick, 47.5 lug to lug, with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll throw it on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, which is quite compact. You'll get a good relative view of the watch's size. Because this doesn't have extended solid end links, it wears more compact than the same watch would on a bracelet. It's very flat and it'll easily slide under a cuff, and yet it is 100 meters water resistant. So if you want to put it on a water resistant strap, you can absolutely swim with it. In this form, I would say 14 centimeter circumference wrists will wear it quite easily. This is 16 once again, but I would even say that if your wrist is very flat, if you're a lady, for example, you might find that a 13.5 centimeter circumference wrist can wear this well, and I have seen women wearing this model quite successfully. The strap is Rolex. We're not used to seeing Daytonas on straps. They're not altogether uncommon. They're just not the majority look. You can see calfskin on the bottom, Rolex factory strap. Black alligator leather, thickly bolstered up top. We've got a folded edge, a monotone stitch, and a clasp that features 5 pairs of divots drilled, so you can actually dismount the spring bar and change the anchoring point of the strap in the clasp. And there are several different lengths of strap available. We are a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned dealer, so we have access to straps of different lengths for wrists that may be larger or smaller, but you do have adjustability built into the clasp, so once you commit to a strap, you can still fine-tune. We have a lift lock system with a beak and a hook that interlock, and that's your first level of security. The second is the clamshell. There's a little kerf underneath, so you can dig your fingernail under the crown to lift that lock, and then this is actually a spring action lift lock system. There are 2 locks here, so it's quite secure when closed. Polished internally, rolling around to the case. Ever Rose Red Gold. I believe it debuted in 2005. It is Ever Rosy, so a high percentage of copper to make it very red, and then a high percentage of platinum to make it immune to the fade that typically dulls red to rose and rose to pink over time, so it will remain ever rosy. We have a ceramic bezel. This was new on the Daytona in 2011. You can see it's very scratch resistant, also provides a nice color contrast with the red. The characters inside it are all PVD rose gold deposits, so they won't tarnish or oxidize with time. The dial is a lovely opaline silver matte, so it's not a directional sunburst, it's a soft metallic glow. And then you can see rose gold hands as well as indices. We have tone-on-tone registers with concentric patterns internally, so an azurage for the chronograph, hours, minutes, and then running seconds down at the bottom. We'll do a quick lume shot so you could see that we were still using super luminova back in 2011 when this model debuted. It was about 2 years later that these watches would get the Rolex Chromolite. Mechanically, you can see underneath the case back, well, use your imagination because it's a solid case back, but we have Rolex caliber 4130 screw down crowns, including a trip lock in gold, because it has 3 dots, and the large dot in the center means it is a trip lock in gold. So 100 meters water resistant, caliber 4130. Let's get back to that. 30.5 millimeter diameter, fairly large manufacturer movement, bidirectional automatic winding with a rotor on a ball bearing. This movement was the debut of the ball bearing rotor on Rolex watches. 72-hour power reserve, 44 joules, 4 hertz beat rate. It is a COSC certified Swiss chronometer, movement adjusted in 5 positions. It is a chronograph with a vertical clutch and a column wheel. So the column wheel for very crisp action, and it is a tactile pleasure. And then the vertical clutch for engagement without any jump, stagger, or extraneous movement to the seconds hand. You can also leave the chronograph running full time without any hazard to the watch thanks to the vertical clutch. If you just like center seconds, you can leave the chronograph running. It'll wear down the 72-hour power reserve a bit more rapidly, but there's no harm to the watch. Now, in terms of being braced against shock, it has a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance, those features making for superb shock resistance, and the free sprung balance also allowing for very precise adjustment, the better to earn that chronometer certification. It uses a blue oxidized niobium zirconium overcoil. The alloy means it's highly anti-magnetic. Rolex calls that parachrom blue. The overcoil profile means that in any position, this watch keeps very consistent time. So an overcoil is not affected by gravitational orientations the way a flat hairspring is, not to the same extent. So there is a lot to love about that movement. Case, dial, movement, all made in-house by Rolex. They even have their own foundry. They smelt their own gold alloys like Everose. So this is an all Rolex product. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.
Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.